we need 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 1 on each corner, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's see how many we've got. We've got 1 robin, 2 penguin. Thank you. 3 dove. 4 candy cane. 5 reindeer. 6 holly wreaths. 7 Father Christmas face. 8 gingerbread lady. 9 gingerbread man. 10 funky Christmas tree, and 11 bells. So I need one more element. That's good. And then we'll do some, like, just some mistletoe with berries and holly with berries, just to fit in the, you know, the gaps between them. So I think what we'll do is I don't think there's much point doing a stocking, because I think the stocking might look too much like the candy cane. Do you think? Oh, thank you. That was the second one we did, the Christmas tree. These are really good. These Christmas trees are really good on presents, because you could use them to say you've got a gift tag, or, you know, say it too. You just, obviously a smaller one and not with the big pink bees, like that on the front of a present. So yeah, I don't know if the stocking might look too much like that, but I suppose it'd be dumpier, wouldn't it? And we could do it a different colour. Not sure now. I could do a snowman. You could put back, yeah, I was just thinking I could put like a holly leaf on the top of it, couldn't I? Yeah, I'll do this. I'll do a Christmas stocking then. Yes, that's it, exactly. I'll make it fatter. So yeah, it won't look too much like it, will it? I'll make it a lot fatter. It's annoying with this wire, because normally if I'm doing this, I've got a really clear area, so the long bit of wire flinging about, you can fling around. But here, because I've got my laptop, I've got my tripod, I've got my camera, I've got my light, and everything's in the way, it's hitting everything. Right. No, I need to be a little bit longer than that. Yeah, I've got to straighten some wire out then later, ready for doing the main element. I'm using the thicker wire, the thicker copper wire that I've got. It was out of obviously thicker electrical cable, I suppose. It'll be thick. Use a thicker wire, then it will be a bit more stable with all these attached around the edge. Not that it'll fall apart, because it'll be on the wall anyway, but. Oh, you couldn't hear that, could you? Pigeons walking about on the roof of my workshop. Could hear them like. like that, going backwards and forwards on the roof. Just make that a little bit thicker. I better not make it that big, actually. It's a bit big. It'll dwarf everything else. There we go. This is what happens when you don't have a plan and you do everything sort of in the moment. Got to try and think what it looks like and the proportions rather than having... Sorry, excuse me, I've got a really sore throat. Hold on, drink some tea. You've got to try and, rather than having a picture to put it on top of and copy, try and think of how to get the right proportions. Right. There we go. That'll be right, and then still think that's going to be a bit big, actually, because that's bigger than, I don't know, hang on. Yeah, it's a little bit big, isn't it? Oh, they're out digging the road again and drilling. They stopped about 11:45, and I thought they stopped for a break and they didn't come back again, but now they're back outside again, drilling again. A long lunch break then, and an early lunch break. They're digging up the road to put white fibre, which is the cable, the internet cable, down. Right, I think that'd be alright. How big is that? Yeah, that's okay. It's not too big. I see how big it is compared to the tree. Yeah, that might be alright. Now I'm just going to do some spinning and maybe finish knitting my pumpkin. As well as killing with... Oh yeah, your pumpkin looked cool that you showed on. You showed it on the screen. That's really cool. You should make it. You shouldn't make it. I'm not telling you what you should make it into. But a pumpkin will make a really cool tea cosy. Right. Have you got lots more to spin until you've got enough to make your children's socks? Is it your purple and teal and your, is it stripes, wasn't it? Have you got to do a lot more? I hope they'll appreciate all the work that you've gone to as well to make those for them. Oh, of course, your first. Oh, brilliant. Oh, lovely. I hope they appreciate the work you're going to making their slippers for them, their slipper socks. I made my daughter slipper socks when she was, I'm going to say 2, and she's still got them now. And because she's 27, and because they stretched over the years, and they just stretched and stretched and stretched, and they're still fine. They were made with like glittery white